All right, so I just got some new tools from a marketplace buy. It's a Craftsman box full of tools. I had some visibility what was into it, thought it looked like it was enough to buy. So now I'm gonna find out what's in here. I just opened the first drawer, let me turn it around and let you see. All right, well, never mind the dog. First drawer, got Snap-on, double open-ended wrenches. Looks like, what is that, 7/16 up to 15/16. Oh, I see what we're working with, okay. Here, Cornwell ratcheting wrenches. These look like they're not the made in the USA ones. I'll probably get rid of those. Snap-on something. Oh, they're Allen keys. Looks like they're missing a couple in there, but pretty close to a full set. It's a nice case. These say Cornwell on them. What are these? Okay, looks like some socket Allen keys. So these are standard. Cornwell. Guessing these are metric. No, looks like these are standard too, just different sizes. I think these are made in the US. Where are we? Maybe not. Let's see if I keep those. Probably gonna just get rid of whatever I don't. Go towards the next tool purchase. And this thing, I don't even know what this is. It's a, I don't know. It's a Blue Point, but I'm not exactly sure what it is. I'll look that up. It all came in this Craftsman toolbox. I just took some of the stickers off. I gotta clean it up a little bit still. Here, Cornwell. These are made in the USA. I think of the Dead Blow. Yeah, Dead Blow hammers. That'll be nice. All different sizes. I don't know if they all are. Yeah, that sounds like they all are. Just looks like a bunch of punches and chisels. What is this? This is Snap-on, Cornwell, Craftsman USA, So it looks like some good stuff. Cornwell, USA stuff. It's got a nice little pry bar and punch combo. It's a Blue Point. It's just like a cheapie. I'll get rid of that. Snap-on. No idea. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like they're mainly Craftsman, Snap-on. Little punches and the Cornwell. This one looks nice. What is this? Yeah, that's Snap-on as well. And looks like some more of those. A little extension. This Snap-on, probably a foot, 12-inch extension. A couple batteries in there. Just looks like some stuff to pound on as well. We'll go down. Okay. I'm guessing this is a caliper set. Yeah, which looks, oh, nice. So that's a micrometer as well. This, what is this? Is it a combination? No, it's not a combination square. It's something like that. Oh, interesting. It's got different angles on there. Looks like that slides on. I have no idea what that is. That'll be some nice research. Looks delicate. This, something made in the USA. It says Cornwell, it looks like. What are these? Just more punches. Cornwell punch. I won't go through all of them. Cornwell. All right, so this is, oh, that one's Snap-on. Snap-on. Cornwell. This Snap-on files, I think. Looks like, yeah, a little round file there, triangle, different size flats, maybe 3/4 or 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. Nice little Snap-on case it comes in. That's nice. Another good drawer. Back over here. Oh, nice. Okay. Looks like there's some wrenches in here. Little Knipex. What is this? This foot long one. Yeah. Germany, of course. Craftsman, USA. Or Crescent, sorry. This Crescent. The original since 1907. I don't think that's made in the USA. Another extender. This shouldn't be in this drawer. Was that a Thorson? That's made in USA. Oh, nice. Was this a Blue Point? Flexi ratchet. Snap-on needle nose. These are Proto punches. I don't know who owns Proto now. But this is all USA stuff. This torque wrench, little name inscription there. Yeah, that's Proto as well. It looks like, yeah, made in the USA. 1/2 inch drive. Craftsman. You made in the USA. These are little Snap-on little rulers. Seems excessive. Empire one there. It's like a mirror. Blue Point. That's basically it in there. Quick. Tool aid. I'm guessing that's Taiwan as well. Go down. Oh, nice. This is a good drawer. Looks like some Snap-on screwdrivers. It's like a number 2 flat and Phillips. It's number 2 as well. Yeah. And then number 1s of each. Some Snap-on dikes or diagonal cutters, whatever we're calling them now. Some other pliers. I like those ends on it. Some slips. Needle nose, nice. Those are Snap-on. Yeah. Made in Spain. Interesting. Snap-on tin cutters. Looks like small little screwdrivers. That's, I think, just something to pound on. Oh, Snap-on, whatever it is. Interesting. Another plier wrench. Oh, this is a Matco branded Knipex. Another extension. What is this? It's made in Taiwan. Maybe 10 inch. Toss that. This looks like channel locks. Not branded, but probably with those handles. Wire strippers, little crescent wrench, Blue Point. Looks like that's about it in there. It's a good drawer. Oh yeah, the socket drawer. What do we got here? It's standard, deep. Oh, this is SK. Interesting. It's in a Snap-on holder. Looks like that's Snap-on. I think all these other ones are Snap-on. It looks like. Yeah. So one SK. It's interesting. It's at the 7/8. Shallow, Snap-on, probably all the way down. Yep. What is this? Taiwan ratchet. It's a Snap-on ratchet. The 9 or 10 inch extender. It's a little small extension. Couple inch one. What's this? Cornwell. Looks like a Cornwell flex head. Yeah. Little Snap-on splitter here. This this. Looks like it's all snap-on, but it's not a full set. That's standard as well. Basically all just standard, it looks like. A little flex head. That's all snap-on, a little 1/4-inch drive there. Probably won't ever use that, but make that a little prettier. This thing's full of good stuff, oh my gosh. So the die grinder, I think. Got a bunch of different heads for the Dremel, Loctite, resin, a bunch of snap-on wrenches. These all look standard up to 1 inch. A ton of them. So snap-on screwdriver, snap-on scissors, little Stanley, little Matco file. I'll have to move that. Matco as well, yeah, a little Matco screwdriver. Obviously still have to sort through this. That's the box for the die grinder. Looks like some good stuff in there. Little air hose. What's this? Oh yeah, it's Harbor Freight. Pittsburgh. So nice. Snap-on multimeter. I don't know who makes that. Might be, yeah, I don't know who that is. It's this Silver Eagle. Dremel company. Yeah, die grinders, different heads. A couple of magnetic. Those things are a godsend. A little Blue Point ball peen hammer. Yeah, it is Blue Point. Is that it? We already checked in here. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything in the bottom. But yeah, good haul. Get rid of these things, but overall, I think a good haul. I don't think there's anything else in there. Thanks for watching. Here's my dog. Good. Yeah, so I think it's a good haul. Got to go through and kind of look at everything, organize it. A lot of ratchets, a lot of sockets and stuff. This is from an old helicopter mechanic, so it all looks like it's pretty well kept up. But check it out. Thanks for watching.